Welcome to Kevin's English School's English lesson video. This time, Mark is going to explain how to pronounce 3. For more videos, check out the Kevin's English School's YouTube channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Kevin's English School's English learning lesson video. I'm Mark, and today we're focusing on the pronunciation of the number 3. First, let's look at the th sound. To make this sound, place your tongue against the bottom of your teeth. It should sound like th. Let's practice together.
Please repeat after me. Great.
Next, let's look at the re part. It's simply re. For the r sound, the tongue goes back r and then moves forward slightly. For e, it sounds like e. Notice how you smile a bit on the e. Let's practice that together. Ready? E. Your turn.
Good.
Now let's combine the two sounds. It should sound like this. 3. Let's practice.
Please repeat after me. 3.
Good job. I hope you've got it. Thank you so much for watching our video today. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe.
Thank you very much.
As always, I'm Mark. See you next time.